Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. So in this lab we are securing virtual machine using Common Enterprise Premium. So the main objective of this lab is to you will learn about how to enable the IAP TCP forwarding text in your Google Cloud projects and test connectivity to your Linux and Windows instance, configure firewall and also grant permission and demonstrate using SSH or RDP. So let's get started now. We'll try to connect first. Okay. Yep. What is that? Yeah, let go. Yeah, I'm connected now in this lab, so I have to agree and continue. So first is to first of all is to enable the IAP TCP forward in your Google App. So say that to get to a menu and the API service library and clouds and search for this one API and enable this one. So okay, so let's go down. So API library, I can search here for API. Yeah, this one. Now I can enable this one first. This is the first task. Let's wait for this. Yes, I think it's okay now. Okay, task 2 is to create a Linux and Windows instance. We have here two for demonstration purpose and one for testing connectivity. Okay, let's start by creating a Linux app here. Okay, this one. So I will go to compute engine instance here and create there already in some instance there, so I will just create like this. It's yes, this one, and set the zoom, yeah, bish. Okay, so now go to the network like you said, default network interface default and external IP area none. Okay, let's say default not API this to none. Yes, that's all. Great. So after that, yeah, we click on second, yeah, for the second instance you have to use this one. So this is the name of the second instance, Windows. So let's create again. This is the name. I think it's the same zone, bish. Yes, it's the same zone. Also go to change and yeah, Windows Server. Okay, so let's go there, change Windows Server, yeah, and okay, data center 20, this one, select one, and so network, it's the same network like the same before and create. Okay, network default and external IP to none and create. Okay, that's cool. Now for the third one, for the testing instance, we have to create this. Okay, let's go again, feed one, instance name B, and yes, custom and source project for image to change to quick labs resource. Okay, change custom, there are nothing, so you have to go to change here, starting on this one. And what is the name of the host? For the image, this one. Okay, let's try to put this one. And select. And then we have to change. Select policy, security. In security, allow full access to cloud API. We have to change something. Do not disable external API and create thing. Okay, let's create then. Okay. After that, we wait to take all three instances to be created. So text the connectivity to your units. Yes, we already have created this one. Let's start this one before the creation. Your connection will fail. Connection will fail. I'm not able to connect on the server. As you can see here, there are permission needed. So we just have to wait. You just have to wait for a task. So I'm not able. For the IP also, I don't think if I'm able, man. Let's wait to see that if I'm able to connect to the IP. Normally, this instance does not have an external IP. Yes, as you can see, there are no external IP here. Task 4 is task 3 is okay. So task 4 now configure the firewall, the required firewall rule for PC. So first of all, we have to create the firewall rule. For this one, we have to go to the VPC firewall. So go to the menu, VPC here, firewall, and create my firewall. This is the name of firewall. Create the firewall rule. Read the firewall rule. After that, ingress for traffic, direction of traffic, ingress. All instance target all instance in the network. Source filter IP range. For this one, I have to put this one. Okay, so this is the protocol TCP. Okay, great. So create rule. I have to create. Okay, I think for VM is okay. So let's check if all my string instances have been created. And also I create the firewall rule. Let's test this one. Yes, that's cool. So grant permission now to use API IAP TCP forwarding. So go to security identity Proxy. Okay, so menu secure identity Proxy forward. Okay, let's select the Linux and Windows VM instance. So we have to go to Linux process switch to SSH TP resource. Okay, here it said that to select two server, this one and this one, if I'm not mistaken. It's two server, and click now at the principal. So in this, you have to add this one. And select the rule, cloud team, this one. And also see that to add also this user one. So I will add both. So So we add both. Okay, policy updated. So now should be okay. Try. Yes, taxis now need to use the AGP to connect to the Windows. Okay, let's try this one. Let's try this one. Let's try this one. Go to instant compute engine instance. Yes. In yeah, this one. Okay, let's put here is the IP address. Let's first of all let us for this one. I think it should be okay. Should be okay to be able to connect. I think. Yeah, because I have permission now. You should be okay normally. Let's wait. Okay, yeah, it's okay now. So let's connect also the API. Let's connect. I have some tools here. You can use this one to connect. Okay, let's add here this one. This is the IP. Let's take the IP address Sweden for the name and password. The password here. Okay, use this one. What is the port you're using? Is the port you're using as this one? Let's try. I don't know if it will work, but let's try to connect. Yeah. Okay, after that, normally you should be able to connect. Could not receive the host name to IPv6 here. GTP. Yeah, I think you can just download this file because I'm using the yeah, you can download this file and you will be able to connect. You can just download this file. I'm using the Linux system, so it's quite difficult. So you can use on your side this one, but you will be okay because it will be available. So no, you will be available to connect on this and try to test everything here on this one. So normally should be okay. It's not really a problem. So you will be able to have access using this. And if we try to check that if it is okay, I think yeah, everything is connected now, complete now. So congratulations. If you try to connect on normally it should be okay. So congratulations. That's all. So